Alright class, here it is, the final assignment. I know it's not everyone's favorite subject, but helicopter safety is incredibly important and should never stop being improved upon in any areas. Safety management systems get much deserved attention, but I feel as though they are sometimes a facade and policy of real change. They have to be instilled in all employees from the janitor to the manager of each flight department. If employees don't look out for each other and see safe, by-the-book operations as a constant, the safety program of each organization will imminently fail. There has to be a serious system in place where all employees' criticisms are acted upon. I have been involved in too many organizations in my short career where safety is a hierarchical system and management is ultimately ineffective in delivering change. Helicopter terrain avoidance warning systems, or HTAWs, are paramount to safety in operations other than normal transportation. It has already been mandated in 2014 by the FAA for use in all major helicopter emergency medical services. Its estimated cost of implementation is $270 million US-wide, but is expected to garner at least double that in amount in incident avoidance rewards and lower fatal accident rates by over 50%. The helicopter industry should invest in such systems. Training alone has not been proven enough to negate this risk. Available power management and high weight are two cohabitating aspects that many pilots still get into trouble with when conditions change. Changing winds and the need to quickly change flight paths requires swift input and the need to understand performance in regards to changing mission requirements. Tailwind awareness should be one of the major components in this training, and this can be performed in simulators for added safety. Power management is a skill that helicopter pilots should continue to sharpen and be vigilant about. Another area I would improve upon is flight simulator training. Currently, flight simulators average around $100 per hour to operate, not counting instructor fees. They also don't count toward total flight hours. Really, most pilots use them to satisfy mandatory workplace requirements. A real solution needs to be sought in order to make these systems cheaper and more incentivized in order to practice dangerous scenarios and improve overall pilot skills. Double IMC flying is when helicopter pilots have not planned for IMC flight but are forced into the conditions. Accidents are most prevalent in private pilot operations and non-IMC certified pilots. Failure to declare an emergency, independence from ATC assistance, and failure to initiate the proper recovery procedures make the scenario even riskier. Remember, the key to flying in style is to be safe and not to take on any unnecessary risks. Please see my references for any additional information on what I covered. It was great to work with you all, and I wish you the best in the future. Shout out to Professor B for the instruction and a few solid references on even a few of my assignments. Cheers.